Are you looking for the best carbon steel woks? In this video, we will break down the top 6 carbon steel woks on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. For the best professional carbon steel wok, you need a wok pan that's as traditional as possible, and that's what Craft Wok offers here. It's made in China by Chinese professional work makers in Guangzhou, and they are hand-hammered. The pan itself measures 14 inches across and features a round bottom to truly make it traditional. This gives you a pan that can easily hold part of your food on one side when you need some more space. It comes with a long, wooden, and northern handle, plus a smaller helper handle. The entire pan also weighs just 4.4 pounds, making it lightweight enough for most people to swing with just one arm. One downside of this pan is that it's made in such an authentically traditional way that it looks quite old and definitely out of place in most modern kitchens. But if you want a real Chinese wok pan that's made the old way, then you've got it. The KENMORE Hammond flat-bottom carbon steel wok is quite an underrated brand or product when it comes to carbon steel works, especially if you are looking for options within a set budget. This one is unlike anything else, especially because of the flat bottom. This multi-purpose wok helps you whip up your favorite kinds of Asian meals, be it stir-fry or even general deep frying or braising. The 14-inch flat bottom is considered ideal for everyday cooking and accommodates both gas and electric stovetop. The upper layer of the carbon steel wok doesn't come with chemically infused coating, especially with the PTFE and PFOA materials. The wok does come pre-seasoned, so you can start using it fresh out of the package. The wok is also heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which means that you wouldn't have to worry about unnecessary overheating or burning of your favorite foods. If you are wondering about the care instructions, we'd recommend you hand wash them. A carbon steel wok with a unique design, the KYTD wok is covered with a non-stick layer shaped like fish scales that increases the smoothness and balances the hardness and the beauty of the pan. The heavy body of the pan guarantees a fast heat transfer and long-time use. The handle is riveted, ensuring a safe and comfortable grip, and the bottom is flat, making the wok suitable for electric, induction, and gas stoves. The wok comes with a glass lid so you can check the food while it is cooking. It also comes with a lifetime warranty and a replacement guarantee within 30 days of purchase. As the wok is deep, it allows cooking large portions. It is also very easy to clean due to the non-stick surface, requiring only soap and water. Here's another offer from JOYCE CHEN, featuring a 4-piece package that includes a wok, a dome lid for the wok, a bamboo spatula, and a recipe book. This package offers you everything you need to get into the world of stir-fry cooking, making it the best work for the money on this list. You'll also learn to appreciate the wok dome lid along the way because it allows you to enrich your cooking with flavors by covering and letting your stir-fry cook for a while. The wok pan comes with birchwood handles which stay cool while cooking. There is a long, northern-style handle and a second, helper handle to give you more control when cooking. For cons, the sides are a bit too smooth and won't hold food well, as hammered woks do. The wok is also not dishwasher safe. JOYCE CHEN, however, guarantees that you are free to use this wok pan on any cooktop of your choice, and additionally backs it with its 25-year warranty. This 12.5-inch flat-bottomed wok is compatible with induction stoves, electric stoves, and gas ranges. The durable materials and lightweight design make this model a great buy for cooks of all skill levels. The wok comes with some nice extras, including a metal spatula and a wooden lid. This is a versatile wok that allows you to cook a wide range of foods and features the type of lightweight design many cooks are looking for, since it allows the user to easily handle the pot, even when it's full. This versatile, durable wok can withstand heavy-duty use, thanks to the rust-resistant, carbon steel design. It comes with a wooden stay-cool lid and handle, and features the type of lightweight design that allows you to easily move the pan from surface to surface, even when it's full. This wok is a great buy for cooks of all skill levels. This 12-inch carbon steel wok features a honeycomb design, which works to reduce scratches and improves durability. The pan is equipped with a stay-cool, ergonomic wooden handle that allows you to remove the pan from the burner safely. This pan comes with a wooden lid and 2 large wooden spatulas. The spatulas can be used to toss and mix food as it cooks, while the included lid will allow you to steam, poach, and cover splattering food. The pan's natural non-stick surface prevents food from sticking to the pan as it cooks, allowing for easier cleanup. This set is a great buy for cooks of all skill levels, and it comes with some great extras that all users will appreciate. Unfortunately, the spatulas, pan, and lid all must be washed by hand. The durable honeycomb design will increase the lifespan of the pan, while the long textured wooden handle makes it easy to toss veggies and meats like a pro. This is a pan that will quickly become your go-to for cooking large meals for the family, thanks to its lightweight, durable design and even heat distribution.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.